Hello everyone, today we are going to tell you how scientists have separated oxygen from water. Please subscribe the channel first. A successful experiment to separate oxygen from water using a magnet. Pasadena, California. In what is being hailed as a major breakthrough in chemistry, scientists that have successfully distilled oxygen from water using a magnet. Oxygen can be extracted by magnetic force in a microgravity environment. In this way, a low-cost and simple method of extracting oxygen from water will come up, which will be very convenient for astronauts. For humans on the International Space Station, water is broken down into hydrogen and oxygen by electrolytic cells, but this is an expensive and time-consuming process, says Alvaro Romer Calvo of the Georgia Institute of Technology. Then NASA experts believe that conventional technology to make oxygen from water would make a long trip to Mars pointless, because it would have to carry a large load of water and would require separate power batteries. Due to the lack of gravity in space, it is impossible to remove oxygen from water. It is only because of the Earth's gravity that we can see the carbon dioxide bubbles floating on the surface of the soft drink. But in space these same bubbles are moving around inside the water. And this required centrifugal force to collect the frothy bubbles in one place. Scientists then conducted experiments at a microgravity center in Germany to test the magnet for space-like conditions. It is a 146-meter-long scientific tower in which a capsule rotates and the gravity is weakened for some time and sometimes the gravity is weakened for 9.2 seconds. After that, the computer model and other analytical processes successfully tested the extraction of bubbles from water with the help of magnet. It is expected that this revolutionary technology can make oxygen from water in a very simple way.